This is the story of our fairy garden. How we went from one simple house to a small village with a pond, waterfall and model railway. We've always been fascinated by the magic and whimsy of fairies, and as avid gardeners, it only seemed natural to incorporate fairies into our garden. We were inspired by Victorian-era illustrations we brought back from England, in particular the illustrations of Richard Doyle in the Scottish poet Andrew Lang's A Tale of Fairyland, published in 1884. And of course the illustrations by Cicely Mary Barker. The flower fairy paintings, which came out of the Victorian popularity of fairies and fairy stories, now enjoy international popularity, and the figures we have in our garden are based on her paintings. Over the course of the next few videos, we will show you how we developed our fairy garden into what it is today, including how we made some of the decoration and two-scale landscaping features. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.